Allergy symptoms are here. Inside my body they dwell. They haven't really hit me hard just yet, but they are coming fast, I can tell. I'm sneezing a lot, it's really not fair, along with an occasional wheeze. They are really loud when there's nobody there, from pollen or trees. I'm sneezing a lot with allergies. I took a nap almost all day. I thought that my sneezing was gone, but then I sneezed hard and blew the fur off my cat. Oh, come on now, this is just wrong. I'm sneezing a lot, it's really not fair, along with an occasional wheeze. They are really loud when there's nobody there, from pollen or trees. I'm sneezing a lot with allergies. I don't think I had the flu. Oh, I'm sneezing right out of the blue. I'm sneezing a lot. 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 I'm sneezing a lot, it's really not fair, along with an occasional wheeze. They are really loud, but there's nobody there, from pollen or trees. I'm sneezing a lot with allergies. That's really not fair, along with the occasional wheeze. They are really loud when there's nobody there, from pollen or trees. I'm sneezing a lot with allergies. I'm sneezing a lot. I'm sneezing a lot, oh, every day. Allergies. I'm really sick of this sneeze. Okay, I'm fine. Have a good day.